Types of compound interest. The calculation of future value uses the concept of compound interest. Compound interest. Interest earned on the deposit. Basically, is principal plus interest. Interest has become part of the principal sum. For simple interest, the interest paid on the original principal only. Interest does not become part of the principal sum. Let's use an example to illustrate simple interest. $1,000 is deposited into a bank account which pays an annual interest rate of 10% on simple interest basis. How much is the interest after 3 years? So interest equals to the principal amount times interest rate times time. So this will be the answers. Substitute the figures in. Take note, the interest paid on the original principal only, the interest does not become part of the principal sum. So work it out, the interest is only has 300. So far, all the examples used are based on annual compounding interest. This means that interest earned on the deposit becomes part of the principal at the end of each year. M is number of times per year interest is compounded. Annual compounding will be 1 time per year. Semi-annual, 2 times per year. Quarterly compounding will be 4 times per year. Monthly compounding will be 12 times per year. Daily compounding is 365 times per year. And continuous compounding will be compounding continuously, okay, in the sense perpetual forever. Look at the left hand side. The interest is compounded once a year. The K and the N is straightforward. If the interest is compounded for more than once a year, so M equals the number of times per year. So formula we rewrite in this manner. Okay, take note of the K divided by M and N times M. Okay, for the table method will be the same. The K divided by M and N times M. Illustration 3. Using the figures in illustration 2, what is the value of your investment if the bank pays interest quarterly on its deposits? Interest is compounded quarterly. M equals to 4 since it's compounded quarterly. So this is the formula we're looking at. Okay, take note of K divided by M and N times N. Here is 12% divided by 4, and N times N is 10 times 4. Substitute these figures in. Okay, and you have 3% and 40. N equals to 40. Refer to the FVIF table. Please make sure you choose the correct table. Next, we'll extract the answer from the table. With the known value for K and N, this intersection is the answer we are looking for. Substitute the answers from the table, and we find the final answer is 3262. Let's compare the answer in illustration 2 and 3. We know that illustration 3 has a higher figure than illustration 2. Why is this so? This is because interest earned, which is compounded, will earn interest in the next period. In short, the more times interest is compounded, the higher the future value.